Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the date command. In its simplest form, it provides the date, time, and the time zone, like this. It also, however, has options that allow you to display the same kind of information in a lot of different ways. For example, if you only want to see what day it is, the date, we do that. If you only want to see what the current time is, you can run that command. Now, one reason you might want to do this kind of thing is if you're adding information to a log file. And so you might want the date on one line and the time on other lines, as in this sample script, where we've added the date here and various comments with the time on other lines. Another reason that you might want to see what the current date and time is in a different format is when you want to know what time it is in another time zone. So we could run a command like this. And that shows us what time it is in Los Angeles. And we want to go a little bit further away or closer, depending on where you are. You might try this. And that's the time in Paris. You can even get the date command to tell you the date of Friday for next week. So you do something like this. And there you go. Well, that's your Linux tip for the date command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.